This is a WECT Cape Fear Business Break.
Today we are in the studio talking with Tim. He is with O'Brien Service Company, Wilmington's local heating and air specialist since 1981. And Tim, we're going to talk a little bit about ductless mini splits and why O'Brien Service Company is your best choice for installation. Now, why is a mini split a good option?
That's a good question, Megan. They're great for small spaces, sunrooms, garages, offices, finished rooms over garages. They're energy efficient, easy to install, and they can help save on energy bills.
Sounds like a great solution. Why choose O'Brien Service Company for installation?
Well, here at O'Brien Service Company, we take our job very seriously. We want to be the utmost professional in everything we do. We want to be the best, so our installers are heavily trained, licensed and insured, and they go through extensive training to make sure that each system we put in will operate at peak performance.
And O'Brien Service Company does more than just heating and air.
That's right, Megan. In addition to heating and air, we also do plumbing. Our licensed plumbers offer plumbing services for water heaters, water heater installs, whether it's any type of water heater you may want or have, tankless, electric, or hybrid, which is a heat pump water heater. A lot of these water heaters offer tax credits that may benefit most people. We have a lot of water heaters in stock. So yes, we are offering plumbing.
Now, if someone's interested in a ductless mini split system, what should they do?
Well, they can give us a call at 910-799-6611 or text or email at o'brienservice.com for a free complimentary estimate in-home with me or one of our other guys.
Thanks, Tim. And again, that website is o'brienservice.com.
For more details, go to HomePros on WECT.com.